and influence. It will not be forgotten. It has been my greatest honor in my 21 years. It has been my greatest honor to stand and fight for my country, my fellow men, my family, and for my father who loved me into the woman I am today.
Forever love you till the morning light. In my heart, you'll always be. Forever love you, just you and me. No matter where we go, what we face, I'll always cherish our special place. Together forever, our hearts beat true. With every breath, I'll keep loving you.